discuss about Python for loops. So first of all, we have to understand what is Python for loops. I go through this for loop on list, tuple, set, dictionary, or in string case also. Why? Because when you are going to print any list elements, your tuple elements, the tuple objects, then at that time there is requirement of the loop. So I already discussed about the loop, but here in depth we know about how the loops are going to be work. That is exclusively for loops. So here Python for loops generally used for iterating over a sequence, that is either list, tuple, or a dictionary, or a set, or a string. This is less like the for keyword in other programming language and work more like an iterator method as found in other object-oriented programming language. Okay, so with the for loop, we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list tuple set. Okay, so here we are using generally for loop. The other for programming object-oriented programming language, the for loop using in different case, different sense, but in Python, the format and the syntax is a different case. Okay, the C, C++, if you follow Java, there is a initialization, then condition, then increment, decrement. But in Python, we are using generally range function is there. In Python, when you are going to be print, it shows you in a list, a tuple, or in a dictionary, or in a set, or in a string. Okay, string array. There is a different ways we are going to be use it. Okay, so how it is work, let's see. So for suppose there is a x equal to list 1 2 3 4 5. When you are going to print for L in x, print L. Okay, now when you are going to be print, it print the list of all the elements in a x 1 2 3 4 5. Likewise, if you go for the y equal to tuple. Okay, a b c d, then it returns you for x in y, print y. Okay, so it prints y, but it not prints y, it repeatedly print all the number of times that's a x is going to be print, that's a b c d. Okay, comes out a b c d. Okay, so in this way we are generally iterate our for loop also. So in next videos you also know how the for loop is used in continue, break, pass, range function, else statement, nested for loop, all these things. So keep it up and please like this video and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Click the subscribe button and also don't forget to share this YouTube video. Thank you.